Hello students, my name is Professor Muhammad Asim and we are doing ADMath. ADMath for IGCSE, which have syllabus code 0606, and for CIE level students which have syllabus code 4037. So both kind of students can get equal benefit from this course. Students, today I am going to fulfill my promise that I am going to start past papers of ADMath topically. Topically means I'll choose one topic and do as many questions of that topic from past papers as possible. So today I have chosen the topic integration and I choose paper October-November 2015, paper 1-2, question number 2. You can see on your screen. But before I start this question, first I would suggest all those students who are watching my lecture first time, kindly first grip the concept of this topic, which is in your book, chapter number 15, integration. I have uploaded the whole book of ADMath, obviously chapter number 15 as well. So in order to get good command on this topic, kindly go to my playlist. There is a folder, name is ADMath. Watch all lectures of chapter number 15 and then question number 2. So let us start question number 2. A curve showing the relationship between two variables x and y passes through the point p minus 1 comma 3. The curve has a gradient of 2 at p, at point p, given that d square y by dx square equals to minus 5. Find the equation of the curve. 4 marks question. You know calculator is allowed in ADMath. So we have to find the equation of curve. So whenever the derivative or the double derivative is given and you have to find the curve, so obviously integration is involved. The process is, first write the equation, write the double derivative which is given, d square y by dx square is equals to minus 5. So students, first we have to write the single derivative with the help of this given double derivative. How to write? See this carefully. dy by dx, the double derivative given is minus 5, which is only possible when we have single derivative is minus 5x. So if you derivate minus 5x, you will obviously get minus 5 because the derivative of x is 1. The second thing is that if we write some constant over here like a, and if you again see what should be the derivative of minus 5x plus a, the answer is obviously minus 5 because the derivative of constant is 0. So we must put the constant because sometime constant is never be 0. So when we have second derivative is given in the question, we have to write the single derivative first. The single derivative represent the gradient. dy by dx means the gradient. So the gradient is given minus 5x plus a. The value of the gradient is given. You can see on the question the curve has a gradient of 2. The curve has a gradient of 2. So 2 is equals to minus 5x plus a. Again read, the curve has a gradient of 2 at p. What is p is given? P is given minus 1 comma 3. So satisfy the equation 2 is equals to minus 5x plus a by this gradient. So obviously it is 2 is equals to minus 5. The value of x is minus 1 plus a. So 2 is equals to minus minus plus 5 plus a, and a is equals to minus 3 because 2 minus 5 is minus 3. So this is the first step to find the constant. Not necessary to assign the constant is a, you can write b, c or whatever you want. So the value of constant is minus 3. Put this value of minus 3 again in the gradient equation. Dy by dx equals to minus 5x minus 3. Now according to question we have to find the equation of curve. So move this dx on other side, minus 5x minus 3 by dx. Now integrate both sides. That is integrate of dy is obviously y. Integrate of minus 5x is minus 5x square upon 2. Integrate of minus 3 is minus 3x, and there should be the some constant c. Now see the question again. A curve showing the relationship between two variables x and y passes through the point P is minus 1, 3. So satisfy the curve by the point given point P minus 1 comma 3. So y is 3 minus 5 x square, sorry, minus 5 x square. X is minus 1 square upon 2 minus 3 into minus 1 plus c. So 3 is equals to minus 5. Minus 1 square is plus 1. So upon 2 minus minus plus 3 plus c. This 3 cancel by this 3. So c is equals to positive 5 upon 2. Hence the equation of curve is y equals to minus 5 x square over 2 minus 3x, and c is 5 over 2. This should be our final answer. Check the answer in the book. Sorry, check the answer in the marking scheme. Question number 2. Minus 5x square upon 2 minus 3x up and plus 5 upon 2. And our answer is minus 5 upon 2x square minus 3x plus 5 upon 2. 100% correct answer. So students, this is our today's class where we did question number 2 from past papers October, November 2015, paper 1-2. I will do more questions of integration from past papers in next lecture. Kindly do subscribe my channel, and whenever you subscribe, don't forget to press the bell icon button so that when I upload my videos you will get the notification. Kindly share my videos, my lectures, as many as you can. Good luck for next lecture.